Hello! In today's video lesson, I'll show you how to fix Roblox memory dump error on PC. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any helpful tutorials. Let's now start. To insert Roblox system compatibility, check prerequisites on this page and be aware of potential issues like hardware restrictions and outdated graphics card drivers. Use the GeForce Experience application or NVIDIA graphics cards and AMD Radeon software for AMD users, where the latest GPU driver is automatically downloaded and installed. Navigate to the Drivers section of the GeForce Experience window and download the latest GPU driver, which will be automatically installed. Ensure Windows' latest version is installed on your computer. Open your Windows settings to access Windows Update section. Check for updates and download the latest update before restarting your computer. That's all for now, everyone. Thanks for watching.